Is ChargePoint and Switchback energy acquisition stock a buy now? ChargePoint is pushing to expand its EV charging network reach across North America and Europe. The opinion of certain analysts is that market participants may continue to speculate on future revenue growth for SBE stock in the coming quarters. The market or its participants are bullish on EV and battery charging infrastructure stocks. As such, SBE stock may probably outperform the market while that stance lasts. Dilutions may also occur as the company may take advantage of the high and rising stock price to build up cash reserves. So, technically speaking, SBE appears to be correcting within a longer term bullish trend, although its MACD is presently below the signal line. Shares remains 161.6% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. It's currently outperforming the S&P 500 largely because of the volatility. So it is says here it is correcting within of late. Yes, it has been correcting, even though the last two trading sessions it has been trying to retrace its highs, though not that much. Momentum for SBE is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay high prices for shares. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. The Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual as a result of greater than normal volatility that accompanied the recent price move. Yes, indeed, because the volatility is there because of the interest is very high. Events such as that may precede a pause or reversal in the near-term trend. So we can also see that the momentum, according to this, it says it's bullish. But what we can see from the recent price rate of change, it's not exactly very wonderful. It's only 7.1%. It could be more. At some point, we had something more than price rate of change that was more than 150%. So it's, as we can also see, it's the volume. It's in the broad overbought territory, but not as overbought as it were sometime earlier this year. So the advice is that volatility may increase further or may remain there because of the strong interest, no doubt, in EV network stocks. So betting on SBE in either direction, long or short, may be risky. So buy a sharp dip and ensure you sell on reversals as quickly as you can if you wish to trade SBE on a short-term basis. So for the long term, okay, if you want to buy it for the long term for to keep, for the future, for a few years or a few more months, buy a sharp dip as well. The other thing is that ChargePoint is also considered to some extent it's considered a software company, as it doesn't manufacture its hardware, even though it sells them. So it's probably going to be considered. It's considered a software company. So all of these are positives for ChargePoint. So for now, I would say, if for the short term, I would say that ChargePoint, it's not exactly a buy. I need to see further dips. For now, it is slightly increasing, even though it's trading below its 10-day trend line, which is a very short-term trend line. I would like to see something. I'd like to see it trading probably below its 20-day trend line before I get comfortable about advising anybody to buy it. So just observe, carefully, watch and see. So, but I can't exactly say that it is a buy. I don't feel that confident to say that as it is now. But it's a stock for the future. It's a stock for the future. If you're going to buy it for the future, I would say buy it now for the future. Yes, but if you're going to go in for the short term, I can't say from what we're looking at right now. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much for watching.